DA got that go. I turn the news on when I smell death in the air. I prove you wrong, I made it out of here. I don't belong, I see my past everywhere. Don't stand too close to me, eternal PTSD. I got a war zone inside of my head. I made it on my own, they said I'd be in jail or dead. I seen my brothers fall over and over again. Don't stand too close to me, I got PTSD.
I was hitting bangs like Chief Keef, always yelling names, that's DC's. I go off my mind and my instinct, shooting at the same time, we was in sync. On the same thing, try and repeat. We was in the whips, right back on the enemy. Stuffed on my last hit, I was in the middle seat. Fuck it out the sunroof, Brody got a quick release. And we in the car real fast with police. Shots fired back, but it's ass in the street. When I bought a 40 show, Brittany and Tiffany, knowing that they call it, they shit they can't get from me. A lot of warfare, 17, had a 50 piece. Flexed on niggas, so you know they want killer G. Royalty, posted in the hood with some Billy keys. Loyalty, rock dash, show them what it really mean. I can't sleep cause it's a war zone in my head. My killer's good, they know I'm hands on with the bread. $1 million ahead, I'm still angry, seeing red. How the fuck I'm supposed to have fun? All my niggas dead.
I turn the news on when I smell death in the air.
Camera.
Wrong, I made it out of here. I don't belong, I see my past everywhere. Don't stand too close to me, eternal PTSD. I got a war zone inside of my head. I made it on my own.
Oh, where's my camera at? You better start working, camera, or else this is a pretty important stream over here. Oh, it's not on. I'm stupid. Sorry. You deserve a better life, camera. You deserve a better life. Hey, what up? I just met you guys. Alright, stop. Songs, this song is way throwback. PTSD with Juice WRLD, Uzi. Jerome.
Shorter, we know sex, drugs, money, all in that order. Ain't no structure, no peace. We lost our order.
What up?
Anxiety, fucking love, sobriety.
It's a war zone laying inside my head. I still think about all my niggas that's dead. I'm too paranoid, yeah, I know you heard what I said. I'm too paranoid, I made sure all my eyes stay black. Draining all my energy, no I cannot sleep. I'm affected by the streets, no appetite I can't eat. I only see red when I see, I think it's my PTSD. I think it's my PTSD. I think it's my PTSD.
Lego my ego. What up, chat? Buy stuff. Maybe.
Tumble it straight out the lot, 300 cash, and the car came with a blunt in it. Lil' mama a thot, and she got ass, and she gon' fuck up a bag. Pull up to the spot, living too fast, dropping the dope in the stash. In Italy, got too foreign hoes, they DM me. Draw at the top when it's cold.
Good morning. Circle FX was funded for this buy sell stop event. Hey. I'm just trying to figure stuff out. But this phone is gonna have the buy stop, and then this phone is gonna have the sell stop. Ooh, my order is here. My boosted juice. Give me a second. It's a tradition. Every time we have FOMC, I order boosted juice.
but I clip 'em. Double my cup or a triple. Box on my body, no biblical. I'm not your average or typical. Look at my wrist and it's critical. Hold it up, dropping the temperature. I get that bag on the regular. I got a bag on my cellular. Back in the bag of them vegetables. Bag of them cookies, it's medical. Cocaine, codeine, etc. Cocaine and lean is federal. I take off landing on Nebula. As an that's when it ends on my schedule. You get the bag and fumble it. I get the bag and flip it and tumble it. Straight out the lot, 300 cash, and the car came with a blunt in it. Lil' mama a thot, and she got ass, and she gon' fuck up a bag. Pull up to the spot, living too fast, dropping the dope in the stash. In Italy, got too foreign hoes, they DM me. Draw at the top when it's cold, but you feel the heat. Be real with me, keep it 100, just be real with me. Eat it up like it's a feast. They say the dope on fleek.
I know that these niggas getting sick of me. These chains on my neck cause a meal a piece. I don't even like to freestyle for free. I put in the key and I ride the beat. I don't even come out the house for free. I pay a nigga to drive for me. Jay-Z couldn't even co-sign for me. I do what I want cause I'm signed to me. I get the bag. They get the bag, have to cut it in half. Stop the comparing, y'all making me laugh. Need to rehab, I'm addicted to cash. Convertible walk, convertible top. My dope got a vertical, look at that how. And it jump out that pot. Came out the jail and went straight to the top. Take it easy, baby. Middle of summer, I'm freezing, baby. Don't leave me, baby. Just drop to your knees and please me, baby. I'm fascinated. Two bitches so fine that I masturbated. Congratulations. She brought me so good that I graduated. They had to hate it. I don't fuck with them niggas, they plastic, baby. A trapper, baby. I rap but I own all my masters, baby. It's tragic, baby. I pull up and hook up the traffic, baby.
What up? All right, now we're ready. Chat, leave a like if you guys do enjoy the streams, guys. Welcome. 400 viewers. We have 44 likes for 400 viewers. I think we can get 200 likes, guys. I think we can get 200. Just one more click. Just one more click. That's all that is. Just come down, click a like, you know. Let's get it. Yes, sir. We live. Yeah. So we have FOMC today. I'm sure we all know what that is. I'm sure we all have experience with that. If you don't know what FOMC is, you sit your ass down. You watch today. All right. You just watch, educate yourself, and see what happens during FOMC. Right. If it's your first time, just sit down, and it's a good day for education. It's a good day to learn new things today. But yeah, FOMC at 2 p.m., which is in about 15 minutes. All right, chat. So you have FOMC, and then we're gonna have the press conference, and then, you know, we like to hunt the trades after news comes out, because with the way we trade, we don't really have a buy stops and sell stops. You know, we don't take those positions. We never do, but we do take advantage of the volume afterwards. So yeah, looking to take advantage of that. And then I think we'll end the stream off today in around like 3, you know, 3:30, 3:15 probably, an hour and a half chat, and then we'll end the stream, right? But yeah, we can probably watch the speech and all that too if you guys want. They will release the statement, the press conference speech before 2:30. You'll see it pop up on the website at around 2:27, 2:25 when they release it, and then yeah, you'll have a speech at 2:30. So you'll know what they're gonna say already by like 2:25. Usually, if prices move a lot for FOMC, you'll see a bigger push during the speech. If you do see a big push during the interest rates folder, then you would see a smaller push during the speech. But I mean, things can go. You can do the opposite. Who knows, right? We may see a push during FOMC and then another big push during the speech. So I've seen that happen before in the past. But yeah, they are expecting to increase rates, obviously. Pretty sure we all know that, right? 3.25, so 1.25 increase today. So yeah, we'll just watch price react, because the hard part is really like, we know how numbers are gonna come up. The hard part is like seeing how the markets are gonna adapt to that FOMC. So we're gonna wait for price to adapt, and then we'll just take advantage of the volume afterwards. But as for just price action, as you can see, I think gold, the moment you hopped off stream today at 10, you know, the banks decided to like, yo, I think Don just hopped off the stream. I'm gonna open up a candle with a nice top wick, and then I'm gonna flip it. And unfortunately, I hopped off stream. He caught me today. But then we got pushed right after the news. Even the 30 closure below 70, it was so clean too. That's all right. But yeah, as for price action today, as for price action on gold here, you do have this range that you're in right now. So right now you got this resistance. This could be a range one breakout. Wow. And then you have a support right here to the left at 1665, minor support to the left. And then you have another range going down here below 1661. All right. That's what I got going on today. It'll be great because, like, look, I am expecting the weekly count to drive down this week. I just expected us to go up today before you drove down for the week to create that top wick for the weekly, right? So I was expecting us to drive up and the FOMC pushes prices down. But obviously we didn't drive up, so you may see a drive up for FOMC, and then Thursday, Friday, you may see continuation to the downside potentially. Let's see. But yeah, overall right now, I guess you can say as for price action, sells are going to be below the support to the left, and then buys for range 2, I would happily take them above 1670. Because if news is gonna come up to this, I'm pretty sure we're gonna break out this range, and then you can take buys above 1678 going up towards next resistance, which is 1690. They ain't too bad. All right, these are my levels here. Range 2. But yeah, from 1667 to 1678, I'm gonna avoid this range until you get a range 2. Rates are increased to 0.25. Yeah, I know. In January it was like 0.25. Yeah. First session. Will they mainly move on US30? Yes, you will see move on US30, man. Trust me. You will see movement US30. If anything, you'll see more movement there than gold. GJ, I wouldn't really look at. I'll look at US30 here, so. But GJ may move with actually we might do analysis on GJ because we have the yen, alright, that can move by the dollar. Alright, so support form to the left hand side, right around here. And then you have a resistance up here. Yeah, more range above here. 163.798. So if I'm looking for positions, I would probably want just today buys being heavily bearish today. I would just want price sells below here. And then range 2 breakout buys. Technically this is range 2 above, give me 1 second, above here, so technically buys are above here, range 2 breakouts. But let's see, again there won't be any positions chat until probably 2:30 here. Yeah, US30 here. I want to do US30 now, so I want to see what's going on. So obviously price doesn't really matter what technical analysis shows, news to come out however it wants to come out, but we want to take advantage of the price action with the fundamentals, right? So US30 here, what I got going on is I have the daily being heavily bearish today. I have the weekly being bearish this week as well. I just expect this to create a stupid top wick for the weekly. But aside from that, if we're bearish today, you would want to take sells below 30.78. Closure below would be perfect, so 233. If you do close below there, and then, or even below here, actually, it's clearing traffic below here, actually, below 30.747. Sells below there, and then you have clean traffic coming down towards next support, which takes you down towards this level to the left hand side, 30.66. Because looking left, this is all going to be clean traffic there. And I just realized I don't have Zoom open, so let me just open up Zoom real quick. But yeah, you have clean traffic as you're breaking back into this range for around like a 800 point range going down. So around 80 pip range going down. Let me send the Zoom link. I did not come prepared. I should have 9 minutes. That's on time. Boom and boom. So yeah, you have that range going down, looking left. That is clean traffic on US30. Again, you have news up, so wait for news to play out. And if you do end up closing below that level, you can take sales coming down. It's gonna be very volatile, chat. Very volatile today. So if you're looking at trade news, just be very cautious. If you're gonna hop out on the sell stops, I hope you have a successful day. You know, but I'm gonna be watching from the sidelines today, as always, until 2:30. Oh yeah, sorry. Yeah, as for if you get a do-rate range 2, range 2 buys on US30 is above here, above this range to the left there. That's just your next resistance to the left. All right, so above there, you say you have clean traffic going up. If you don't like the small range here, because you do have a minor resistance, you can say, okay, well maybe I'm gonna move it up to here and wait for a 30 closure above there instead. However, if you get a 1 hour closure above here, it's fine because the 1 hour doesn't have a resistance above there. It's very minor. They're 2 different levels. Y'all ready? We're gonna have fun watching. Last 4 or 5 months have been bullish. Yeah. Every time they increase numbers. Every time they increase rates, you'll likely see the gold drive up. You guys took a nap today, guys, or what? At the stream? I was tired, so I had to. And I'm also going to a concert, so I had to rest up for that. Post Malone. Let's see. 3 a.m. we're looking lovely for sales though, or 3 p.m. Why am I saying 3 a.m. as if we're on the p.m. right now? 5 minutes, guys. 5 minutes. What I can say, this is price action. Price action shows that this is a range 1 breakout. And if this is a range 1, this is what you're kind of expecting. But like with how volatile prices, like this isn't gonna happen. In terms of the way in terms of the perfect closure, you're not gonna get a perfect closure here. At 2 a.m. for sales, right? It would just see a count going up or down here for FOMC off your screen, depending on how news comes out or how the market reacts to it. Because we already know how news is gonna come out. They're gonna increase rates. You wish so? I'm not wishing. I'm not wishing anything. I don't care what direction the market comes out, good or bad, up or down. All I know is that I'm waiting for 230. That's all I know. It can come out good. It can drop up 100 pips from 230. I can care less. But 230, once price action sets up for buys or sells, whatever direction price decides to choose, I will get in. 233. But this is a fun part about trading news. You don't care what happens during news. You're just following the wave after. You're taking the easy route. Not the easy route, but the safer route, right? You're taking the inside roads. You're not taking the highway. You know what I mean? Hey, who's gonna have buy stuff, sell stuff, though, guys? Buy stuff, sell stuff. Hey, you guys can do it with small risk if you guys want. I mean, this is your account, right? This ain't my account. For your account, you can do whatever you want. You're gonna have a buy stop, sell stop, like a small. If you're testing it out, yeah, go ahead. Just be aware of slippage and all that. All I'm saying is I'd rather hit the back rat table. Is everyone so for fun? Hey, yeah, that hits 100 pips then. Wait. Yeah. Hits 100 pips then. That's 0.04. That'll be $40, right? 100 pips, $40. Nice. Someone has, I know people have buy sell stops, but they're not gonna tell us until. Let's do a poll. Quick poll. Who has pending orders? I watch US30, you guys want to watch gold? I want to watch gold here. I want to see how gold reacts here. Where's Wix9 at? Wix has no clue. Oh, 1 minute. 38 seconds. I'm gonna close the poll. So gold full margin. Ah, damn. What full margin here? What was the poll? Not me. 33% said me. All right. I see y'all. Good luck. Good luck, soldiers. Get ready for takeoff or takedown. Okay. Get the fake out. Get the range one. Is that where price is gonna go though? Because price is stuck right here. Where is it gonna go? Oh. Okay. Oh. Okay. Back down it goes. All right. Pushing down now. Will it re-break the lows? Nope. Oh. Okay. We're breaking lows. Okay. Back up. Okay. 230 it is. Nice. US30 came down. I guess it's waiting for 230 then here. Yeah, bit of a speech at 230. How do I watch this again? Federal Reserve. There she goes. Oh, nice. So there's our fake out sells. Hey, I know we weren't
Reserve system.
I know we weren't like gonna take any positions here for FOMC, but like price action showed that we were bearish today. Like I even though like it doesn't matter how what price action shows, fundamentals come however they want to come out, but price action shows that gold was bearish, and this is a range one breakout, right? So, hey, nice. W analysis. They don't want to get in slippage. Nice. 4 hour flip, new 1 a.m. candle, 4 hour flip bearish, daily candle flip bearish as well. Weekly starting to re-break the lows on its way down towards 6 and 23. Looking sweet, child. Looking sweet. Let me just move the support down to the most recent, which is right here, because that's where price is gonna struggle at. And you take more sells below there for 230. That'll be great. Nice. Yeah, child. I have no positions here, or I don't think I do. Yeah, I have no positions here. Don't worry. Nada. Got 35 pips. Good stuff. Someone said 50, 70 pips. Okay. That push there was how many pips? That push there was 86. Not bad. US30 came down too. Wow. Okay, okay. Also like crazy. Yeah. Perfect with the weekly. Perfect. Yeah, the weekly has nowhere to go this week, but literally 1628. The only thing I was worried about this week was just today. FOMC. I was expecting maybe FOMC would come out different. Or the way it go to react to the markets would be different. But other than that, like the weekly, with the way it closed below the range, it has nowhere to go but 1630 this week. So if that's the case, then tomorrow, Friday, should be a pretty simple day. It's just close your eyes and sells, right? It'll be very key every close day too, though, because if you close below the range on a daily, then we'll be out of that range that we were once in. Yeah, this is great. This is great. 215, 230 chat. We'll have some potential positions here, man. Potential. GJ moved more than gold. Wow. Holy smokes. Oh. I don't know if it moved more than gold, but GJ moved too. Yo, it's funny because gold went down, US30 went down, GJ all went down. They all went down today. The increased rates, right? 3.25? Yeah, 3.25. Yeah, exactly. That's planned. Tomorrow is a big day too, guys. Look at the pound tomorrow. 7 a.m. We'll be here in the morning watching that play out. That's perfect. I love pound news because you have pound and then you're on for the NY session with the NY volume at 8. So it's amazing. We'll be here tomorrow in the morning too. Love you, Don. You guys made profit. Congrats. What's the bet loss size for entering a 10K challenge? Your usual risk, like 1 or 2% risk. Ooh, that's tough. Not off stream though. Y'all bullying. My problem is that I take 10 pips and I am free to hold. And tips. You gotta trust your analysis, man. You gotta trust a higher time from analysis. The small time ain't good enough. You have to be able to trust a higher time from analysis, right? So what's the next support below 1655? I have it marked up as I haven't marked up yet, but looking left there, I have it marked up as probably like 1645 to the left hand side here. That's just your next support you have to the left. That's what I got going on. Yeah, 1655 or 45, sorry. It's 100 pips below there. Let me just see the 30-minute time frame real quick, because that was off of the 1 hour, but I want to see how the 30-minute looks. If there's some type of traffic there that could stop price from driving below. Matter of fact, I can't even go back. So let me just go back on the 4H and finesse these trading view charts. Go on replay mode, go to here, then go down to 30, and boom, that's your 30-minute time frame information. Yeah, so where we are right now, 65, right? Or no, 55. So yeah, below here you have complete clean traffic going straight down towards next support, which is 1648 probably. I'll have it as 1648. That's probably what I'll have at. Yeah, 1648, 47ish. That'd be amazing. Yeah, that's great. All clean traffic, man. I want us to pull back here to like the 59 range, so that we can catch this range and then the rest of the range going down as well. That's if we close. Nice. you taught me how to finesse. Yeah. It's crazy. It's so crazy to see that, like, even though like numbers came out however they came out, price action just followed price action at the end of the day. Like if there was a news chat, you know, like you guys would have had that deal right then and there. The fake out back into the range. Where's the deal? I don't know where the deal is. Let me actually FaceTime him real quick. Let me see where he is. Let's see. I can't leak his number. Yo, I'm on stream. Where you at? Yeah, they can't hear you, but how far are you?
10 minutes away, but I gotta. Oh my. Laptop.
Damn.
Alright.
You have you saw the markets? I'll show you. Looking
I got
all right, bet. Yeah, I did in the channels.
Alright, dope.
So, yo, say what's the deal one time for us though. For good luck.
What's the deal, chat?
All right, later. All right. That was a market maker. We should be good now. We should be good now. Yo, 3 minutes left. how does FOMC affect the markets, impact the markets in the next 48 hours? Good question. I believe with with the weekly bias this week, right? Everything's bearish already. News is kind of sparked that for us to continue down. I'm expecting us to continue down. Like pricing shows we should continue down here. Like there's really nowhere else to go. Once you re-break the lows at 16.52 here, straight down towards 16.28. Now that can happen today. I don't want it to happen today because I want some range for tomorrow and Friday, right? But with that being said, I would expect the next couple of days to drive down here because look at the weekly. The weekly close below the range here. It just has clean traffic now, right? It has really nowhere to go. But next support, which is going to take you down here towards 1626, 1615, right? To the left hand side. So you're expecting to sort of mirror this counter to the left, and that's what I'm looking at here on a weekly, to mirror that traffic going straight down towards 1617. The one-time down mute on purpose. Man, I always mute myself on purpose. Hey, who got slipped on news though? Hey, yo. That's tough. Look at USD sinking boat. I can probably imagine. I can probably imagine. Let's take a look. Yeah. Sinking boat. Never heard that term in my life. Go 100 win and US30 120 win. Let's get it, Sam. Let's get it. You gotta get your ass off the stream. Go relax now. You're right down. Never trade news again. Wait, but didn't you say that last news event, or is that someone else? Every time one person always says you're right, I'll never trade news again, and another person, like every news event, at least one person says that. I got stopped in the last 5%. What'd you take though? You see, I wouldn't mind a 15 closure here, guys. It's just the fact that looking left, every time the 15 closed below here, it was very chopped. I would much prefer a 30-minute candle. A 30 closure. I'll prefer a 30 closure because a 30 closure indicates that, okay, at least we're breaking below support. We should be able to drive down still, right? Reason 15, no? Yeah, you have a speech. That should be pretty interesting. Don't worry, guys. You have to get some decent volume. You guys have a lot of volume here, a lot of range. Should be pretty straightforward. Do you offer the sample size especially for purchase? No, it's free. It's free. All right, all right. This only getting working? Why not? People are like, yo, Circle, don't tell me, yo, tell me you had full margin sales there. Camera focus, man. Is it weird I took longs? No, it's not weird. Yeah, yes, take whatever position you guys want to take. I'll be interested in buy say too above 1627 if you don't look to close below here. It's very key because you only have 2 hours left in the daily candle, right? It's very key how daily candle closes here today. Very important closure. Because you can easily close bullish or close respecting, right? You want to be able to close below here in 2 hours for more sells tomorrow. If you don't close below here, tomorrow might be a little tough. But man is at top wick on a 15. Wow. We'll close below. Yeah, I'll prefer taking sells. Mid the Coca-Cola sound? What Coca-Cola sound? That one? So sorry, Wickfield. I need a 30 closure here. I want to see a 30 close below here. Sorry, dog is right? Yeah, yo, chat. Yo, give it. Hold on. 1 second. 1 second. Gold meets GJ. Alright, dog. GJ. Our gold up or down tomorrow? If you turn left, gold up. If you turn right, gold down. Yo, I swear. Go down tomorrow, guys. This dog was trying to tell me. This dog was trying to tell us. This dog was really trying to tell us yesterday. It was right. It was right. When gold. I think every news event we'll use them for the prediction. So. Yo, he went right away. He just went. Whoop. I didn't finish my sentence. He said, yo, I'm going right. Gold's gonna go down tomorrow. First one watch channel, I'll have to say is thank you. Hey, thank you for tuning in. I appreciate you for being here. Thank you. Wix FOMC 9. What's the deal? This your audio's probably chalked.
Yo.
What up?
Can you hear me now?
Yes, sir. Nice and clear too. It's not even that bad.
Yo, look at this fucking weather. Fucking insane.
Damn, looks like you just lost your crib to FOMC. What happened? Oh, in the streets.
Packing up right now, dog. Moving out. Got my trailer.
Look. That's
We're moving
too.
out.
That's a nice looking trailer though.
I'm gonna show you guys how I be spending my. This is where all the magic happens, right here. This trailer. Right here.
That's where Wix 10 was made.
The shit that's gone down in that trailer.
Wix 10, 11, and 12.
Woo! Oh, yeah. Oh, I am soaked. It was fucking time. Let's go. Gym time. Let's go.
Not gonna lie.
Are we activated yet?
Activated on what? What do we activate?
Sell stops? We activated yet?
Yeah, we caught the whole move for sales coming down. You didn't see? We caught the whole entire range going down just now. Yeah. Nice range.
I'm watching the stream on YouTube on my other phone. Watching like the Twilight Zone right now.
Dude, you get all that trailer, bro. There's no magic happening right now. We can barely hear you in the trailer. The internet low weak. Not gonna lie.
So this was a waste of a stream.
Nah, because you can have some potential buys later on. We gotta see though. I gotta see how this 230 count plays out to 3 count plays out.
long you staying on for?
Pardon?
How long you staying on for?
I'm staying on for your Wi-Fi low chop. I'm staying on for another hour or so, I think.
Nice. All right.
Yeah.
I might be home by then. I'll be home in like half hour, 40 minutes actually.
Yeah, I might be on by then. Maybe. Probably.
Still, I might still be on.
You're frozen.
I'm frozen.
Yeah. So excited.
It's fucking pouring rain. It's storming. There's a big ass storm outside. Alright. I'm gonna hop on the road. I'm gonna try to go get home.
Alright, bet. Get home safe.
I'll be watching the stream, paying attention, chat. Watch what you say.
Bye, stop.
I'm going on big fat.
Oh man. This guy Wick's frozen. Looking fried as shit. I have to. Oh, almost dropped my booster juice on my PC again, guys. That wasn't gonna be good. If you guys remember that last year, I think last year in March, I dropped water in my PC. Now I don't want that to happen again. It almost happened just now. Thankfully it's a smoothie and not liquid, because that wouldn't have been good. That would have been scary, yo. New yo guys, new 40 series coming out. You guys want to cop that? 4090, 4080? Yo, that's ridiculous though. 1500 for a GPU nowadays. Just a game on. That's like 3 PS5s. 3 PS5s. Crazy out here, man. That's ridiculous. Stop being a sneakerhead? I just haven't been active. No, I don't really wear sneakers anymore. Ooh. Looks like his 30-minute candle is gonna close back in the range. Could even possibly even flip bullish. How big is the range going up on the flip? 35 pips. Nice. Damn. We want market to close. I can't decide that. I can market can close however it wants to close, right? We can't really decide where. We just gotta adapt. So it doesn't matter where it closes up or down. Respecting bearish or bullish, closing below doesn't matter. But as long as you are able to adapt for tomorrow, because you can't just because you have a bias, you can't be too like set on your bias playing out. Like it's just ideas you have, right? The whole idea this week is the weekly candle gonna drop down. It's just the fact that like you need information for that to happen. You need things to form bearish for us to drive down. So if the day doesn't close today, then you can't say you're gonna drive down tomorrow, right? Because the day is gonna close respecting support. The left hand side. Okay, you have about 3 minutes left for the speech here. I'm pretty sure they released a statement already. Because they release it a couple minutes beforehand all the time. RPP with FOMO. RPP the people who got slipped today. Slippage is a real thing, man. Mine has been affected by Forex. I don't even look at the price as money anymore. I just look at it as pips. My lunch is 2 pips. Cool. Damn, you have a pretty nice meal. 2 pips. Well, a lot though. What are your next move or plan ahead for gold? I'm waiting for 230 here to close. And then after 230 closes, I want to see how you close it, because if you can close here, if you can close to the left here, respecting 1665.146 here, technically speaking, if you flip on the 1 hour candle, you can still look to pop up because the 1 hour hasn't flipped yet. So if it flips, it has all that momentum drive them up to fill the range going out for 35 pips here. I want to see if we can close respecting here first for that to happen. Because if you close below here, you might gotta wait till 3 p.m. and it might be a no trade. We gotta see though. Ooh, looks like you might close respect there. This wick fills 18 pips going up. This range fills 34. Four, 3, 2, 1. Oh, you're closing respecting. How big is this bottom wick though? Cause look at the 15, right? 15 closed right back into the range. 30 closed right back into the range. We're nowhere different from where we were like 30 minutes ago. We're at the same price point, pretty much. And if the 1 hour flips here, one hour has that range going up. It has a 18 pip range going up for the wick fill, and then the rest of the range is 34. If it breaks the high, just stops. Kind of wide, right? Let's see. Oh, they're speaking right now. Nice. You guys want to watch the speech? Have it up on the side. You can watch a good bit of it.
Without price stability, the economy does not work for anyone. In particular, without price stability, we will not achieve a sustained period of strong labor market conditions that benefit all.
I want to have this on my screen.
Today, the FOMC raised its policy interest rate by 0.75 percentage point, and we anticipate that ongoing increases will be appropriate. We are moving our policy stance purposefully to a level that will be sufficiently restrictive to return inflation to 2%. In addition, we are continuing the process of significantly reducing the size of our balance sheet.
Stops. I was thinking current count stops, but
I will have more to say.
It's too wide now. It's too wide here. I was thinking like, hey, maybe we can create a small top we can drive, but stops are like 60 pips now because he just drove down, right? It's way too wide. So I'll probably wait for 3 a.m. candle or 3 p.m. Why do I keep saying 3 a.m.? 3 p.m. candle.
The pandemic recession.
3 p.m. candle in about 29
Recent
minutes.
indicators point to modest growth of spending and production. Growth in consumer spending has slowed from last year's rapid pace, in part reflecting lower real disposable income and tighter financial conditions. Activity in the housing sector has weakened significantly, in large part reflecting higher mortgage rates. Higher interest rates and slower output growth also appear to be weighing on business fixed investment. while weaker economic growth abroad is restraining exports.
Are you trading news? Who's trading news?
As shown in our summary of economic projections, since June, FOMC participants have marked down their projections for economic activity, with the median projection for real GDP growth standing at just 0.2%
Starting
this year
tomorrow, chat.
and 1.2% next
Only
year.
members who've been watching
well
for
below
2 months
the
plus
median
are
estimate
able to chat.
of the longer-run normal growth rate. Despite the slowdown in growth, the labor market has remained extremely tight, with the unemployment rate near a 50-year low, job vacancies near historical highs, and wage growth elevated.
Safe? Are you safe?
Job gains have been robust, with employment rising by an average of 378,000 jobs per month over the last 3 months. The labor market continues to be out of balance, with demand for workers substantially exceeding the supply of available workers.
There's a push. This is the push I was
labor
talking
force
about, right?
Participation rate
That
showed
would have been
a
the
welcome
target. It's just the stops are way too wide for me, man. This is the buys that we were looking at. Stops was 60 pips. Initially, if it was 32, like where it was when it closed, that would have been fine. But yeah, way too wide for me. 60 pips. I couldn't have anywhere else really. Couldn't have on 15 lows because 15 lows are way too wide. The 5 lows are the same stop, so like there was really no low that was like logical there for me to have stops at. Pretty solid plan though, right? As you can see, but
2% longer run goal. Over the 12 months ending in July, total
I said we're
PCE
gambling.
prices rose 6.3%. Excluding the volatile food and energy categories, core PCE prices rose 4.6%. In August, the 12-month change in the consumer price index was 8.3%, and the change in the core CPI was 6.3%.
It's just crazy because like price action is all there. The fake out range ones, and then understanding the flip of the 1 hour candle, just grabbing all that liquid to drive up towards the top of the range. That was there as well. Yeah, how big is this range going up? It was 9.5. I probably would have just had TP at like 7.2, and that was about it. Would have called it. I don't think I would have had any runners or anything. But yo, okay, you got in right. How big are your stops? Golly. What about stops at 81? Nice. Yeah, like I had all of it pre-typed out and everything, and I was like getting ready for them, but it just stops are wide. Kind of impossible for me. Obviously, in that case, there was no drawdown or anything, but still, you still gotta count for larger stops, right? You can't just have a random stop. How do I draw now? Gambling, huh? We ain't gotta watch the speech anymore though. I was gonna be sticky? Yeah. That'll be interesting. Are you gonna end the stream or trade now? Comes down to thing 30, man. I gotta see here. Comes down to 3 a.m. here, or 3 p.m. I keep saying 3 a.m. 3 p.m. because if you get a close above 78 today, you're going straight up towards 6090. Have all that range going up. That's called I guess you can say that's called FOMO type 2, right? We have a command for that. Do FOMO type 2. where you kind of have an idea for price where prices go, but you can't enter due to like certain stops or such, right? So you kind of just avoid. Below the 5 too, yeah. That's alright. As long as we had the analysis right, right? That's all that matters. We were able to read that through experience. Because the price would have drove down, it would have closed. This range here would have closed way below. It would have closed below that 59 mark, but it didn't. It closed within the range though. So that means that it's still respecting support. And if that's the case, then the flip of the 1 hour candle, right? Which is what we were discussing, would have been the play for that range going up. Even if you weren't to drive up towards here, you at least would have had this range here, the wick fail to go BE at, which is 17. Yeah, and the streamer trade now. I'm here to 3. I'm here to 3. 666 viewers though, holy. Pretty successful session, I think. Buy gold, the economy is fucked. Basically. This is Burner Boy? Yes, sir. Yo, tomorrow's a big day too, guys. Interested for the pound. Huge day tomorrow. Here comes a reporter. Hey, no one's gonna report the fact that stops are too big for us though. But here's the thing though, like once you have like no stop loss for trades, it's just the perspective changes though for certain people. It's weird. It's so like this. It's so wishy-washy the industry, right? It's like you have stops. Oh, your RR isn't right. Like you can have stops of like, you know, here down here would have down here. You would have closed at 10 pips. It's like, oh, your RR is not right. But if you weren't to have stops, like stop loss, no one's gonna say a word because you're not being called no stop loss gang, right? People don't care no more. Such a wishy-washy industry. What's your count leverage? 1-500. TD was 1-500 loot to 1-502, but it was a 1-100 on it was a 1-100 on gold, I think. What it was. But at 1 of 100 when I switch brokers. Ish. Yeah, I think you have I think on Blueberry you can have one. You can set it to whatever you want. 1 of 100, 1 of 200, 1 of 500, right? Yeah, exactly, JB. It's so cringe and just corny. It's like everyone just thinks that it's their way and their way only. You know what I mean? This is right, that's not right. Just different perspectives, man. Wait, okay, how big are your stops again? Look at all this clean traffic now. You close above in about 15 minutes here. All clean towards 1690 here. All clean. $42. That was a low, right? That was a flip. I was thinking of the flip too for styles, because like technically speaking, if that kind of were to break the highs, it shouldn't have flipped, right? But are you entered? No sir. I'm in no positions right now. I'm in nothing. I'm waiting for 3 p.m. here. The 1 hour count afterwards. Don't feel like there's enough 15 yeah, potentially, yeah, like for sure. Like this last 15 we can definitely close and just drive up, yeah. But you have no top wick here, unfortunately, so I'd rather wait for a 1 hour /30, to be honest. I'll rather wait for that. Too much juice, too much sauce. Too much juice, too much sauce.
Too much juice, too much sauce. Too much booze, you don't off. Niggas ain't built like me and
Too much juice, SEC. Lost your account? I thought you were just down 5%. What happened? Didn't you just lose 5%? You said, yo, Don, I'll never turn news again. Damn. I thought you lost 5%. I thought you lost $200. You lost the whole account now? Godly. I know, that's what they all say. I'll never turn news again, Don, trust me. Alright. I gotta get 7% for agent session to get funded. Damn, you better full margin these buys right now as we speak. Yeah, 20 pips going up here. US30 is pushed up too. US30 reversed the whole entire range. Wow. Yeah, everything flew up. GJ, oh, GJ didn't fly though. GJ stayed. US30 did. Drove all the way back up. Interesting markets today, huh? Nas too, yeah. I would expect Nas to follow US30. Got a long 12 minutes, guys.
She don't say I gotta do. Betty, Betty, Betty gotta do now. I don't want trouble you. I just want to know can I holla, yeah. 20 gal in a room. Maybe you the one that I choose, yeah. Body like Coca-Cola. Anyway, girl, make a booyah.
Hey, this is perfect. If he pull back for this wick fill, this would be perfect. This range going up is like, oh, is 110 pips almost. Perfect range. You just gotta close. You just gotta stay here for 11 minutes, which is the hard part. Staying here for 11 minutes, because we can just easily it's a lot of time, guys. It's a lot of time. 11 minutes is a long time. A lot can happen in 11 minutes here. Damn, that's crazy though. You have to get 7% for the agent session, or else you won't get your challenge. That's crazy. There goes GJ. What did it do? GJ trades at 230. I wonder if this other thing caught the. Oh no, it's off. %, Asian? Yeah, you better hope the market moves 7%. You're gonna have to over leverage or something. You're gonna last it. I don't know. I think he said that. He said just gonna pray Asian session gives me a setup and risk 7%. I mean, yeah, you're kind of forced to be honest, if you have to get it by the end of the day. So you better wait for the best opportunity. You better wait for the nicest bottom wick of all time. You gotta wait for the closure above the nice bottom wick. Hey, daily broke the highs. What can happen now? Because look at price. We have 2 hours left in the closure, right? So this is I think this is even better than what we had earlier, as if we were just close below the range today. Because like you can have, this is a range 1, right? So if this is a daily candle, you close bullish today. Okay, cool. Tomorrow's candle, if that decides to close bearish back into the range for tomorrow, then Friday you should see a continuation of price to the downside. Because if this is today's candle, it's gonna close above, right? Then tomorrow's candle, with that being a range 1, closes back into the range. Friday it should just come down like this very nicely. Because then that will finish off the week. The weekly will create that top wick, which is happening right now, right? That's a weekly top wick. If you reflip for the weekly, that should top wick weekly, and then the weekly should continue to drop down with the daily, and that would match perfectly with Friday. That's a scenario we can put ourselves into. That'll be perfect. Unless you close bearish today, which I highly doubt, but if you close bearish today on price, oof, that'll be interesting. Yeah, low key to mango. I think if you're forced to over risk, you might as well go on full send on news. I can wait for a breakup, but yeah, I'm waiting for a closure instead of minutes here. If it closes too far above the range, like where it is right now, we can kind of just chalk it and call it a day. But if it retraces to 1680, that'll be perfect. Doesn't buy a switch because it broke highs? Yes. For a daily, but the weekly is still the same. The weekly hasn't broken highs yet. Is he still talking? Jerome in the house. Watch your mouth. He is, right? I'm pretty sure.
Reading for August. So I
He's
think
still
you have
chatting.
to, you can't really, you never want to overreact too much to any one data point. So if you look at them together, and as I just mentioned, if you really look at this year's inflation, 3-6 and 12-month trailing, you see inflation is running too high.
So this is the guy that watches my streams, chat. He's been watching our streams since August. That's why it's been so rough. Are you watching your World Cup games? In Canada, 2026? Yeah, I'll be 26 years old. That's crazy. Yeah, I will for sure. What time's market close? Market closes in about 2 hours at 5 p.m. and then opens up at 6 p.m. for gold. And then it continues on until 5 p.m. tomorrow. Yo, 3 minutes, guys. Hold on tight. Is this sleeping? No, sir. I'm trying to see what time I gotta be at the venue at tonight. All right. Damn, that 15 came all the way down. Create a bottom wick. If you Trav, if you re-break the highs here in the next two before the discount closes, I highly doubt you'll get a position, because then this thing will just probably drive up, put a range, and then there goes your range, right? Because you're looking to catch this range. But if it breaks the highs here, then you're probably not gonna get the range. You gotta pull back, right? The more we pull back, the better it is for us for the range.
Right now we're just taking time. All the things are on your mind. They ain't going bad when I treat you right. I don't care how you look so nice. Girl, you're not nice, you're rude. Want me to feel like I'm new. Want me to watch you do you. Don't get you look so nice, but you're not nice, you're rude. Look what you're putting me through. I'd never do this to you. I need to hold a corner. And it's slow whining. One time. I need to hold a corner. And it's slow whining. One time.
Alrighty. It needs upper leg, yeah, it does. I don't think we're gonna get it here, chat. It's I mean, we just look at the range, but it's very small range now. You need to retrace to like 82 here within the next 24 seconds here for us to get something. 484. Might be a day, guys. Might be a day for us. Yeah, it's chopped. It's chopped. It's chopped. It's chopped. It's only a 4-pip range going up. 4-1-pip range going up. I also closed right at resistance. Yeah, it's chopped. That's it for my session, I think. I think that's it. We'll be on tomorrow though. Yeah, we'll be on tomorrow. I'm not taking a G trade at 3 p.m. here. We'll be on tomorrow, chat. So you have a huge day tomorrow, guys. We waited for this 1 hour closure here. It closed above, it drove up, obviously. Just not enough range for us. We did want the buys earlier at on the 1 hour flip. Stops were too big for us, so I decided to stay out. But yeah, you have tomorrow here coming up. Tomorrow is a huge day. You have interest rates for the pound yen, and then I think that's about it. But huge forward tomorrow though. 7 a.m. I'll be on at like 6 a.m. 6:30, and then we'll be on for that, and then we'll be on for the rest of the session tomorrow, your NY session. All right, stay safe, guys. All right, big day tomorrow. Don't fuck up your account here. Wait for Asian. Depending on how we close today, Asian should be interesting as well. But yeah, we'll be on tomorrow morning. Wixnet is yeah, there it is. Shameless Asian session plug. Wixnet will be streaming at 8 p.m. So you'll catch you guys there, all right? Have a good day, chat. Have a good day. Enjoy your profits today. If you guys caught in positions, good shit. I'll catch you guys tomorrow. All right? I gotta go to a concert, so I gotta dip. Peace out, guys. Love you guys. You know what? I gotta do a weirdo. I gotta do a weirdo first. We have to. We have to. Oh my gosh. I think we did this one for some reason. Are you kidding me, man? I'm alone today too. I mean, I'm the one that's always carrying the Wordles anyways, right? So it doesn't really matter, but
you're crazy sometimes, and I only see you sometimes. Move for me when you're extra.
sheesh. The Y's there.
I'm building up a house where they raise me. You move with me, I go look, just don't switch on me. I got big plans. We need to forward to the islands and get you gold, no spray tans.
Pause. Does Circle have PayPal? Yeah, yeah. I sent him the money already. I sent him the money. I'll show you guys. Hopefully there's no emails here. He just received it. You see? This is his screenshot. Not sure what currency that is, but I sent him 100 USD. So it wasn't a scam. It was legit. Now we can do this Wordle. This is old, right? I think we did this letter. I think we did this before. Some why. This is a hard Wordle, man. Poppy. No, it can be glossy. I'm thinking like some like something like PY, like OPY, you know, Oppy or something. The S gotta go somewhere. Oh, sloppy. Isn't it 2 P's? Damn. Okay. Smoky. I remember this word. Oh, smoky. Yeah. Oh no, it wasn't. Damn. Okay. What? Smoky. I was so confident in that. Bruh. I think maybe 2 O's? Soggy? I don't know, it can't be soggy. Bruh. Subby. What can go at? What can go before the O? Suey. What can go before the O? S?
Pull up another Audi, yeah. I ain't out watching nobody.
There's no L. Something like that though, like something like OWY, you know? Scooby. Or is this a word? Scooby? Showy. I think show's the best option. I think I remember this word though. I remember doing this. I remember we struggled too. I think we got on the last try. I remember this. This is like 100 days ago. Alright, bro. I'm calling it a day, bro. I gotta go. I'll live stream the concert tonight, chat. IG live, right? Peace out, guys. Have a fun day. Enjoy your profits. Laters. Love you guys.
Pull up another card, yeah. I ain't know it's nobody but you.
Yeah. I met her on the high street, she too sweet. I said, what's good? She told me you'll see. Said she living life like a movie. I said, come and teach me, you know I got the school fees. Ready or not, man, I'm with a few G's. So where your friends at? I'm trying to get high, I got the jetpack. Smile on my face when she texts back, said she don't wanna play games, I respect that. No lies, man, I'm telling you the truth. Everything mad when I pull up with the goons. So rock boys, we ain't fucking with the goose. Big racks, that's money out the roof. White tee, black hoodie, you see the sauce, big swag, bang coolie. Speak up, who's hating, what's goodie? I've been a boss, star boy, chat to me.
She say, bad man, you make me feel so fine, fine, fine. Every liquor wine say na perfect wine, wine, wine. Nobody find past you tonight, night, night. Say na me and you go there till we get no time, time, time. Balance it up, oh my old baby, balance it up. Oh my old baby, wine it up. Oh my old baby, wine it up. Oh my old baby, balance it up. Oh my old baby, balance it up. Oh my old baby, wine it up. Oh my old baby, wine it up. Say the love way I get for you, pass any money, pass any money. She tell me na me where they make her they happy, they surgery, you. Whoa, 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 whoa. Any a man from my babe, I'ma run it up. No love way past this kind of mine, so I'ma give me girl, I'm tempted to touch. Till the money make I know. Say make we let the neighbors know. Say make we let the neighbors know. I'ma give me joy, check out my love. Till the money make I know. Say make we let the neighbors know. Say make we let the neighbors know. Yeah. She say, bad man, you make me feel so fine, fine, fine. Every liquor wine say na perfect wine, wine, wine. Nobody find past you tonight, night, night. Say na me and you go there till we get no time, time, time. Balance it up, oh my old baby, balance it up. Oh my old baby, wine it up. Oh my old baby, wine it up. Oh my old baby, balance it up. Oh my old baby, balance it up. Oh my old baby, wine it up. Oh my old baby, wine it up. Oh yeah. I'm a don't woman in my fair, yeah. I'm a don't woman in my fair. I'm a don't woman in my fair. I'm a don't woman in my fair. In my love is in a guarantee. Made them toss in a jealousy. Yeah. We go there together, guarantee. Yeah. Say we go play the movie Tarantino. Yeah. Made them talks in a jealousy. Yeah. Say my love is in a guarantee. Yeah. I never play you in a guarantee. Yeah. Oh. Yeah, I gonna love you. Yeah, yeah. She say, bad man, you make me feel so fine, fine, fine. Every liquor wine say na perfect wine, wine, wine.
Nobody find past you tonight. Night. Say na me and you go there till we get no time. Balance it up. Oh my oh baby, balance it up. Oh my oh baby, wine it up. Oh my oh baby, wine it up. Oh my oh baby, balance it up. Oh my oh baby, balance it up.